In front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. I always block unnecessary notifications on all devices I'm testing and also on my personal iPhone just because they can be really annoying and disturb a lot, especially when I'm recording. If you want to do it on this iPhone using only devices settings, no special tricks or apps, firstly go into settings. When you're ready, scroll to click on notifications available under wallpaper. Then you need to scroll again and this time tap on one of your apps under notification style. In my case, photos. Then to block notifications from this app, use green switcher next to allow notifications at the top. So when I tap, as you can see, all notifications from Photos app were successfully disabled. If you want to switch them back on, click on the same now gray switcher. If you don't want to turn them off completely, you can also manage alerts. For example, you can exclude lock screen and banners and leave notifications from chosen app only visible in the notification center. You can also manage those switches. Whatever you decided when you finished, just go back. I can assure you that this method will work on your iPhone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!